Get inspired creative casual garden bed ideas for your home's entrance. Transforming the entrance of your home with thoughtful landscaping can greatly enhance its curb appeal. A well-designed outdoor space not only welcomes guests but also reflects your personal style. In this article, we'll explore casual garden bed ideas that can elevate your home in trance, making it both inviting and aesthetically pleasing. Embrace the essence of casual garden bed ideas. Casual garden bed ideas focus on creating a relaxed yet beautiful atmosphere. Choose low-maintenance plants that thrive in your region and can withstand varying weather conditions. Native plants are an excellent choice, as they adapt well and require less upkeep. Consider incorporating perennials that bloom at different times throughout the year, ensuring your garden bed remains vibrant and lively, no matter the season. Crafting thoughtful home entrance landscaping. When designing your home entrance landscaping, consider the overall vibe you wish to convey. A welcoming front yard can be achieved by combining a mix of textures and colors. Use a variety of plants such as ornamental grasses, flowering shrubs, and ground covers to create depth and interest. For a more structured look, you might incorporate natural stone borders or wooden edging to define your garden beds. elevating your outdoor entrance design. The outdoor entrance design should seamlessly blend with your home's architectural style. If your home has a modern aesthetic, opt for sleek, minimalist garden beds with clean lines and monochromatic plants. Conversely, if you have a more traditional residence, lush, overflowing garden beds with an assortment of colors and heights can create a charming and inviting effect. Finding garden bed inspiration. Gathering garden bed inspiration can be as simple as visiting local botanical gardens or browsing online platforms. Take note of the plants and layouts that catch your eye. Creating a mood board can be an effective way to visualize your ideas and help in planning your entryway landscaping. Don't hesitate to mix and match styles to create a unique look that resonates with your personality. Implementing easy garden ideas. For those new to gardening or looking for low-effort solutions, easy garden ideas can be a game changer. Container gardening offers a fantastic way to add greenery without the commitment of in-ground planting. Choose colorful pots that complement your home's exterior and fill them with seasonal flowers or herbs. This approach not only adds charm but also provides flexibility in your outdoor entrance design. appeal tips to enhance your home's first impression. Improving your curb appeal doesn't have to be an overwhelming task. Simple curb appeal tips include regular maintenance, such as mowing the lawn, trimming hedges, and weeding garden beds. Adding personal touches like decorative stones or garden art can infuse character into your landscape. Lighting is another crucial element. Well-placed outdoor lights can highlight your garden beds and guide guests to your front door. Casual outdoor decor for a personal touch. Lastly, consider incorporating casual outdoor decor to personalize your space. Items like rustic benches, decorative planters, or whimsical garden ornaments can add charm and provide a welcoming atmosphere. These elements can create a cohesive look, enhancing the overall appeal of your home entrance. By implementing these casual garden bed ideas and embracing thoughtful landscaping, you can create an inviting and stunning entryway that reflects your style. Remember, the key to a beautiful outdoor entrance design lies in the balance between creativity and simplicity. Happy gardening!